in the normal elevator. Oh, hey.
I'm just gonna say that in the chat. So.
Yeah. Today we have Fox on Wild, aka Morgan. We have Mr. Farting Potato. Time for basketball, guys.
Hello, audience. I'm just gonna say that in the chat. Hello, audience.
Hello, audience. See, look, he's on camera.
Oh my God, what's wrong with that guy?
What? He has big arms. He has big arms.
Yeah, I want basketball.
No! Sorry,
Okay, so we're playing. Today we're playing the normal elevator.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
I want to say it too.
All right, yeah, we're playing the normal elevator, and Mr. Farting Potato has a Pikachu shirt instead of a farting a no farting.
I got it. It's a t-shirt now.
Yeah, I know. Oh, what?
Stay from the back wall.
Oh, what?
Stay from the back wall, man.
Stay away from the back.
We're recording. Say hi if you want.
Okay, whoever says hi. Whoever says hi will be
Yeah. I can't spell camera. Oh no, the Hog of Doom! The Hog of Doom has lived. No, and I died too. Wait, am I dead? No, I haven't died. Yay!
Say whoever says hi gets a shout out if they want.
Okay. Whoever says hi, you get a shout out. Smiley face. I think I spelled get wrong. It's the big cheese. Hi. Oh yes! Shout out to our Roblox lover. Lover. Yeah, he's a Roblox lover. Okay. I shout out to you. I shout out to you. Yeah, shout out to Roblox lover. What's this? No, this is how you spell it. T-R-A-C-H. Tegratch. Yeah, Tegratch. Tegratch. Because look at Potato dancing. No! Oh gosh, because I have a meme. No! No! Oh my goodness! This is the end. Goodbye to the crab.
Guys, Mark's created the black hole from Kirby Star Allies.
Oh my goodness, really? Marks, why would you do that? Oh no. 19.
He's evil.
25.
I thought of something funnier than 24.
I want to change my. Okay. If I want to change my character, I just gotta go right here. I'm on your account because I joined you. Okay, what is this? Meow, meow. I'm a cow. I said meow, meow. I'm a cow. Hey, it's Mad Cow.
Hey, I can't come out.
Don't lie to us. Okay, I'm gonna bring back my hair. That's a cow. The cow can scream.
Meow, meow.
I'm a cow. I said meow, meow. No! You know that from that? Do you know that video, guys? You know that video? Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
Dead.
You guys remember where was that from? Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. It's actually a movie 10. I love that. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Wait, Kirby doesn't say beep, beep. Kirby doesn't say even beep, beep. Time to do the Russia dance. Time to do the Russia dance.
How did you do that?
Oh, it's Game Pass.
Oh my
okay.
god, May, that is hilarious.
My goodness.
No.
No, this is the end.
Oh. Oh god.
I have a spin.
That guy has a really gigantic
Body.
maybe he'll...
Yeah, we're gonna get squished.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh, never mind.
Why do I scream like a little girl?
Dark Knight, stop giving us nightmares.
No! Is Dark Knight doing this for Pokemon?
The final
Down.
Let's stop the music so we don't get copyrighted.
I can't. There's no bad words on that.
No, we gotta get copyrighted because the people who made the song are gonna be like, hey, that's a song. What's that?
I don't know. What's this? Is this Ghostbusters?
Ghostbusters!
I don't know. What is that? Guys, tell me in the comment below what is that. Tell me in the comments below what is that. No, it's spoopy. Spoop. I can't even say it. That's
I said spooey.
spooky. Spooky. Ah! Oh, I'm stuck on the ceiling.
Oh my god!
Wait, guys, Manny, stay in the ceiling. I want to see that.
I know. I'm already got off. Already got off.
What's wrong with that guy's hands?
Hands? I don't know. It's magic. Banana County.
Magic.
Sidewalk dance. I can't stop. Worm! Do the worm, boy! Oh my! What is this?
Oh god, run!
It's
Oh
Sharknado!
my god, Manny, you look hilarious!
It's Sharknado!
The elevator is saying something.
It's a Sharknado! Ah! No! He's eating me! He's eating me! Logan, he's eating me and I died. I just died.
Pepperoni.
That's like my new avatar. I changed it.
Rest in pepperoni.
Yeah. I found the world. I found the world. What is up with his body? What is up with his body? Like,
What happened to you?
who? Me? My avatar changed. Ha 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 ha.
How'd you do that?
Oh, I just like I like when I die, I need to change my avatar first. Like when I didn't die, I never changed my character, but when I die, my avatar just comes back.
Mr. Skeleton.
Wait, is that Skeleton Mikey from Puppet Steve? Hello, Skeleton Mikey. Creepy, creepy.
Oh my god, I'm rubbing my thumb on my phone and it burns.
Maybe because you were tapping on it too much and then you were going fast like Flash, Kid Flash from T-Times Go. Yeah.
What the heck is that?
I don't know.
What's his name?
What? Okay, the Hawk of Doom. The Hawk of Doom. Hey, Roblox lover studio, because he loves Roblox. Oh, jeez! Is that alien? Is that alien or ninja? Did you just really fall out of the world? Oh,
What
jeez.
the heck?
Oh my god. No, I'm not gonna fail. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. No. Nah. Roblox lover, we always love you because you love Roblox. Oh jeez.
He's gonna marry Roblox.
Oh my goodness.
Roblox lover is gonna marry Roblox.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Roblox lover, we're not gonna make fun of you. I know Roblox lover means like you love Roblox, like you want to like give a like on Roblox, like the game.
He's gonna marry Roblox.
No, stop making fun of him. Stop making fun of him. Him or her? Making fun of him or her? I can't tell.
It's a mer.
A what?
Him and her.
Okay, we're gonna do one more elevator, then we're gonna be done. What's this one?
Oh god!
Uh,
The heck just happened?
I don't see you guys. Dude, what's going on? Oh, shoot! Oh, geez.
They were the ones that fell.
Geez. Geez is my new language.
Okay, I think this is the end of the video.
Okay, we gotta wait. Oh, jeez! Okay, guys, that was it. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. See you next time.
Bye.